Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Xcoin.com. Using this platform, you can very easily buy cryptocurrency like a simply, secure and instant. So how to use it, how many features, how to sign up. So we will see as a detailed demonstration. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So just simply open here new tab and just put it this particular link. I already put it this link in same video description. So here this is a platform. It's amazing platform. Here customer service also available by 24/7 if you are facing some problem. Before start anything, we just simply sign up here. So as a sign up point of view, you need to put it here your email address, password must be in case sensitive, and your mobile number. So I am putting here my Danish mobile number by clicking country. Yeah, I am not a robot, and then continue. So 4-digit verification code has been sent in my email address. So I just simply open my email address here, and yeah, I received the verification code. Verification is done. Even I am receiving verification code in my mobile number also. So such kind of verification are providing you. This is a very secure platform. So here verification level 1 is completed. We can upgrade here. So upgrade point of view, you need to put it here your name here, then surname, then your first address, country, your zip code, your state, your date of birth, and then continue. So 2 options are completed of my sign up and basic information. Now need to KYC first of all here, and then enhanced KYC, and then AML. You need to first of all fulfill those 5 level, and then you can invest your money. So now continue level 3. As a level 3 point of view, you need to upload here your document. First of all, select your country, which country belongs on your document. So I select here my Italy, and then driving license, national identity or passport. So I select here national identity. Here you can put it here document number. So I am put it here document ID number, and here document front page. Always front page upload like this. So choose first of all. So here is my front page, upload. So exactly, and now back page I select, and then this is a back page, front page, back page, and then you need to upload here one of the document. Hands on your this document, first of all hard copy, and then capture the picture. So look at this is my selfie. Here is a document as I uploaded here, the number are showing here, and then I upload this document here, and then upload the file. Wait couple of seconds. Financial institute compiler your AML rule, those different depending on your identity, residence, transaction, account, upgrade. Uploaded the document. After verify the document, you need to take time to 1 or 2 hour. Meanwhile, you can receive some email also, verification confirmation of verification, and then after enhance the KYC. As a enhanced KYC, you also upload some bank or finance related document, so you can very easily transaction as soon as possible. So my 2 levels are upgraded here, but if 2 levels are upgrade, you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. So now we can see the little bit about platform. So here dashboard, this is a dashboard, is very simple and easy to understand. Here if you want buy the cryptocurrency, so you can very easily buy some. Here several currencies are available: Great Britain pound, US dollar, euro, Turkish, Canadian dollar or Australian dollar. So you can select here, and then select here which cryptocurrency you want buy. Here several cryptocurrency is also available. So I simply select here Bitcoin. So one Bitcoin price today is 31,436 US dollar. We can continue. As a continue point of view, confirm and continue, but my document is not verified yet. After verify, I can very easily buy this Bitcoin. So as a purchasing point of view, you just follow the 4 step only. First of all, choose your cryptocurrency, how much you are buying, then choose the wallet, your wallet, where exactly you are paying, confirmation buy, and order summary. Just only 4 step, and you can buy cryptocurrency within a minute. Selling point of view, you just simply scroll down here, and the sale 1 Bitcoin. So today, so as a selling point of view, today is 1 Bitcoin selling price is 29,000, 1,000 less compared to the buying. And the continue here, you can also 4 step only. Confirm your selling order, receiving the payment, order summary, and summary, and simple. you can very easily save. Within a 5 minutes you can receive all money in your account. It's very simple. Some notification come here, your documents has been being reviewed. My current documents are reviewing. After finish the review, the green light is going on, and then I can very easily buy and sell the cryptocurrency. Transaction related all informations are available here. Setting, if you want change something regarding your name, address, so using the setting option you can change here. Enable two factory setting also available here, so you always on this two factory setting using your mobile application. You can download the same mobile application or Google authentication application and then verify your account 24/7. They are helping you how to buy, how to sell, and if you are facing some problems, so frequently asked questions are available here. One of the best important points come here, $150 without verify you can very easily buy any kind of cryptocurrency. And some interesting facts also available here. 94.6% customer are very satisfied. I am searching some Google data. Average transaction time is just only 5 minutes. 167 countries supported and 24/7 customer facilities are available. It's very simple. You can follow my tips and tricks. Create your account, verify your document, and then buy and sell your cryptocurrency. If you have facing some problem, you can comment me video section. Otherwise contact here the customer care. Customer are helping you. It's very amazing platform. You can create your account and invest your money. Xcoin.com.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.